Welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Finelo alternatives. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're exploring options beyond Finelo, a few standout platforms offer similar features with their own advantages. Investmate is great for beginners, providing free lessons and built-in stimulators so you can learn trading basic risk-free. Invest does a step further with a virtual portfolio and a social features that let you complete learning and invest in one place. Both are strong picks if you're still building your investing confidence. For more hands-off experience, Icon is ideal. It automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchase into diversified portfolio. Each of these alternatives offer a unique approach depending on your goal, learning social trading or automation. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for quick app comparison and comment which one you do try instead of Finelo.